afternoon, this is Real Adventures Cabo Verde with Mia and Leah. We are still in Tarrafal. We just had a lovely coffee and a piece of chocolate cake. And now we're going to explore the city a bit more. And we want to show you the colorful houses actually that are here in Tarrafal. So walk with me and then we can have a look at the streets here. Can you hear the Funana music in the background?